TensorFlow Extended TFX. Let's go over the introduction to TensorFlow Extended TFX. TFX is an end-to-end platform for deploying production machine learning pipelines at scale. It provides a comprehensive set of tools and libraries for building, training, validating, and deploying machine learning models in production environments. TFX enables developers to create robust and scalable machine learning pipelines that automate the entire machine learning workflow, from data ingestion and pre-processing to model deployment and monitoring. Let's dive deeper into the key components and features of TFX. The key components of TFX consists of several components that work together to create and deploy machine learning pipelines. First one is the TFX pipeline. The TFX pipeline defines the end-to-end workflow for training and deploying machine learning models. It consists of a series of components connected in a directed acyclic graph, or something called as DAG, where each component performs a specific task such as data validation, feature engineering, model training, evaluation, and deployment. TFX components. TFX provides a set of pre-built components for common machine learning tasks, including ExampleGen, component for ingesting and pre-processing training data from various sources, example CSV files, BigQuery tables. StatisticsGen, component for computing descriptive statistics and data schema from training data. SchemaGen, component for inferring a schema from training data and detecting anomalies and inconsistencies. ExampleValidator, component for detecting anomalies and inconsistencies in training data based on the inferred schema. Transform, component for performing feature engineering and data pre-processing user TensorFlow transform. Trainer, component for training machine learning models using TensorFlow. Evaluator, component for evaluating trained models and computing evaluation metrics. Pusher, component for deploying trained models to production serving infrastructure. TFX orchestration. TFX provides orchestration tools for managing and executing machine learning pipelines. It supports various orchestration frameworks including Apache Airflow, Apache Beam, and Kubeflow Pipelines, allowing developers to choose the most suitable orchestration platform for their deployment environment. TFX Metadata Store. TFX uses a metadata store to store and manage metadata related to pipeline execution, including pipeline run, component artifacts, and model lineage. The metadata store enables lineage tracking, versioning, and reproducibility of machine learning experiments. Let's look at features of TFX. TFX offers several features that make it a powerful platform for deploying production machine learning pipelines. End-to-end automation. TFX automates the entire machine learning workflow from data ingestion and pre-processing to model training, evaluation, and deployment. This enables developers to focus on building and refining machine learning models rather than managing infrastructure and workflows. Scalability and robustness. TFX is designed for scalability and robustness, allowing developers to build and deploy machine learning pipelines that handle large-scale datasets, complex feature engineering tasks, and distributed training scenarios. Customizability and extensibility. TFX provides a modular and extensible architecture that allows developers to customize and extend pipeline components to meet the specific requirements of their machine learning tasks. Developers can integrate custom pre-processing logic, feature engineering transformations, and model architectures into TFX pipeline seamlessly. Monitoring and governance. TFX includes tools for monitoring and governance, enabling developers to track pipeline execution, monitor model performance, and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. This includes features such as modeling versioning, lineage tracking, and model monitoring. Next is deployment and integration. TFX pipelines can be deployed and integrated into various production environments, including on-premises data centers, cloud platforms, example Google Cloud Platform, Amazon Web Services, and Kubernetes clusters. TFX provides integration with TensorFlow serving for deploying trained models to production serving infrastructure, and with Kubeflow for deploying pipelines on Kubernetes clusters. TensorFlow Extended is a powerful platform for building, training, and deploying production machine learning pipelines at scale. By providing a comprehensive set of tools and libraries for automating the entire machine learning workflow, TFX enables developers to create robust and scalable machine learning pipelines that handle large-scale datasets, complex feature engineering tasks, and distributed training scenarios. Understanding the key components and features of TFX is essential for effectively deploying and managing machine learning pipelines in production environment and realizing the full potential of machine learning for real-world applications.